Look, I made that.
Hello, my name is Max, and this is Look, I Made That. Today I came home from work and I was planning on building one of our backlog of Lego sets that are currently occupying our entire closet. However, as it turns out, today our son decided that he wanted some Lego cats. Little Lego cats. And thanks to same-day shipping, they're here. And not only are they little Lego cats, they are little Lego little cats. Yep, looking at the pictures on Amazon, they look like regular old generic Legos, but come to find out, they are micro scale. Packed up nice and tight, too. Cute little burrito here. Now, it's my intention to build these little guys, and then select my favorite couple of models, and use the instructions to build them with actual Legos. Since these look like just downscaled versions of actual Legos. Maybe I'll even color the Lego versions however I like. So what do you say, Toby? Are we doing a speed build or stop motion?
Stop motion.
Stop motion it is. Let's get started. Decide which one you want first.
Pink one.
The pink one? With the birthday hat? You got it. Okay, this is really hard. Not just because these are tiny, but I also seem to be having a little malfunction with my setup here. That's making stop motion really hard. Anyway, let's keep going. Okay, done. I fixed my setup a little bit here and it got a little bit easier, but seriously, that last one took me 90 minutes. It's less than 50 pieces. These are too itty bitty for stop motion. We are doing the rest of these speed build. You know, we always think of Legos as being tiny little blocks, but these are a little ridiculous. Now, as I said in the beginning of this video, I want to build these guys with actual Legos. I think it would be kind of interesting to compare the two of them when they're done, so I choose you. There's just one problem, and I noticed it while I was building these little guys. They use a lot of these little snot plates, and this is not a piece that Lego makes. There's a few useful pieces that Lego doesn't make that you see in other brick brands, and this is one of them. I intend to put together a video on this in the future, so if you haven't, be sure you're subscribed so you can catch that video. Anyway, the snot plates that Lego makes add an extra half tile of thickness before you get to the side studs. So that would complicate things a bit. I think this cat would look a little wonky without a lot of redesign. But fear not! While I do love Lego, if you watch my channel, you know I'm not opposed to diving into some generic Lego from time to time, so I happen to have a lot of these pieces from other brands that are the same scale as Lego. So maybe this cat isn't going to be 100% Lego for you purists, but it will at least be Lego scale. That being said, let's do this. What do you think, Toby? Back to stop motion?
Stop motion.
Okay, looks like we've got another problem. You see the side studs on the mini cat plates are centered on the side of the plate. All these other generic snot plates, the stud either goes up or down, it's not centered. So that's going to make attaching this plate on the side a no-go. It's all good though. We're just going to have to do a little redesigning as we go so that we can get all the studs on the sides to line up.
Stay in school, kids.
I mean, we're just trying to chill. We didn't come here to show off or shit.
That worked out nicely. I was a little worried we weren't going to be able to pull this off for a minute there. You know, a lot of people complain that there are certain bricks that Lego doesn't make, and I find myself to be complaining sometimes too, but I think this is the reason that Lego sticks to their guns on what bricks they make and don't make. It forces you to really think about your design and how to make things happen with what you have. Well, I'm really happy with how this turned out. How about you, Toby? Do you love these cats?
I love these kitties.
Well, thank you everybody for watching. Don't be a stranger, feel free to drop a comment below. I love having discussions within the Lego community. See you next time, and remember, keep building positivity.